Good morning. My name's Craig Hoffman. I'm your seminar presenter here at Cunning Dental. We're going to be having a seminar here in just a few minutes, about 20 minutes or so, discussing the teeth in a day solution for that current possible mess, may I say, that might be going on in your mouth. All the information that we have at our seminars is also available on the Cunning Dental website, as well as our Smile Gallery. Our Smile Gallery contains those pictures maybe you've seen of the before shot and the after shot. I always like to tell folks, focus on that after shot. Well, keeping that after shot in mind, let's interview one of the many testimonial patients that we have here. This is Steve. And Steve, I'm going to ask you about 2 or 3 questions here. And I want to start with, how long has it been since you had this procedure done, because your teeth are gleaming?
Well, I had my procedure done February 16th, 2011, so it's almost 7 years. And you're right, they look exactly the same as they did when I got them when they first put them in. They I have no issues with them whatsoever. They're easy to take care of, and as far as restoring the things that you couldn't do before, this took care of all of them, all the problems with eating and social activities, and couldn't be happier to be here today sharing my story with other people.
Excellent. As you noticed on the camera there, we showed Steve's before picture as well, and you can see that. And maybe it's like your situation. The before picture, it's kind of graphic, but again, focusing on that after shot, Steve is smiling even years later after this surgery here. Steve, another big question is the cost, and they keep referring, well, if you can afford a new car payment, you can afford new teeth. What do they do in preparation for giving you this price tag of what your particular case is going to cost?
Well, it's an investment, and if you have this kind of a problem, the cost is kind of relative to just making your life get started again, because my life really was kind of stopped. I was a real estate agent. I quit my job because I didn't want to see anybody and explain to them why I looked that way. So the cost was an issue, but it was only an issue while we were trying to figure out how we were going to take care of it. It's doable for pretty much everybody.
Excellent. And a final question. I know that we ask you questions at the seminar as well. I'm always interested in some of the horror stories that people tell of how they ended up here. But can you give us a quick little story of how many dentists or dentist visits that you went through before you finally said, you know what, Cunning Dental, fix it. I'm done with this.
Well, I was given a medication back in 2001 that destroyed my teeth in about 18 months. So I had a serious problem. I did not want dentures. My parents both had dentures, and I watched what they went through with them. And the alternative for individual implants was explored, and I have to tell you, it was not a fun thing going and having them tell you they're going to put one tooth in and wait 6 months, and you come back, or actually put an implant in, wait 6 months, you come back, they're going to put a tooth in it. I need 35 teeth. I'm going, how in the world am I ever going to live long enough to get all these teeth? And when I heard the advertisement on KFI, which is where I found out about this, thank God they were putting the message out. So I got the shot is to come in, go to sleep, wake up with teeth, go home. One day, I'm going, you got to be kidding me. They can do it in one day? I didn't really believe it, but I came down here to find out, and boy, was I impressed with the quality of the people and everything. And when we found out how they were going to do it, we came in, made our appointment, and changed my life.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, Steve. We appreciate it. Well, folks, once again, all the information that we have at the seminar is also available on the Cunning Dental website, but we got the awesome hors d'oeuvres and we have the testimonial patients here today. That's one of the differences in between. So come on over, or at the very least, hit that website, and let's fix that problem. Take care. Have a great weekend.